Hey there, Tall Man Clan. Welcome back. Today we are outside of Daytona International Speedway. We're going to look at this Solitude. This is the 390 RK. Let's take a look. We want to thank La Mesa, who is holding this event. So if you like one of these RVs, make sure you give La Mesa in Sanford, Florida a call. All right, so you see is up front here, there's lots and lots of storage. The reason is because there's a drop frame on the Solitudes, which give you a lot taller storage compartment. Okay, there is an access door here to get to all of your electrical, which is back there. This does have a central vac system as well. This does have two 30-pound propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. You do have a 6-point auto level system that is hydraulic. If you pan up, Lisa, there is frameless windows on all the Solitudes, which is awesome. Love the frameless windows. You have an awning that starts at the front of the RV, goes all the way to the other side of the door, and that is it for shade. However, the slides each have awnings on there as well to protect the roof of the slides. This does have Arctic insulation, so it's 4 seasons. You have your step above step. Over here, we do have an upgraded suspension with the CRE 3000. And speaking of storage, we're talking about the front storage compartment, but look at this rear storage. The whole back of the RV is raised, which gives you this massive storage area here in the back. You have a full pass-through on this side, and this back compartment here, there's a tray, and so this tray pulls out so you can access anything that you may put on here, which is great. All right, you do have a ladder permanently mounted. You are pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera, and there's also a utility hitch. As we move around to the other side, you have 2 more doors to access this back storage area. You do have a auto reel system for your power, and one of the pulls for your tanks is right here for your gray tank, which the connection for that gray tank is right beneath there. As we move further forward, there's another connection for a sewer right here. Okay, your power connection for the RV is right here. And then we move to this side, which is the other side of the big front storage compartment, but here's your water bay. So you've got your main poles, you have valves for isolating water, you've got a filter system built in. This is where you connect your hose to get the unit water from the city, an outdoor shower, all kinds of stuff. All right, your controller for your auto level system is right here. All right, on the back side of this is where the other 30-pound propane tank is, right there. Okay, well, let's take a look at the numbers, Lisa. All right, so this has a gross vehicle weight of 18,000 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,644 pounds. As we move around to the front, this is your utility cabinet. This is where you'd put a generator if you're going to mount a generator in here. Your batteries are here. Your hydraulic pump and tank is there. Your converter and solar stuff is all up here in this front utility cabinet. You also have an upgraded MORryde pin box. That's enough for the outside. Let's go look on the inside. So this is a neat design. Your living room is here. It reminds me of sort of like the front living areas where you've got 2 opposing love seats that fold out to be beds, as well as your theater chairs. Now these theater chairs are all electric. All the sofas have cup holders. Now directly across from where I'm sitting, you have your TV, fireplace, huge fireplace, Lisa. But I love the wall that is on. Isn't that unique?
Yeah, that's nice.
Reminds me of like a residential sort of modern system that you might have in a house.
Yeah, very nice.
This does have central vac, so here's your sort of toe kick if you want to sweep right into there, which is great. Okay?
Very nice.
Let's go up into the front, which is where the front kitchen and dining sort of is. Now the reason why I say dining is this doesn't have a traditional dinette, it's a bar situation. And so right here is where you would eat your dinners, okay? There's a couple holes here. I'm not sure what that might be intended for.
I'm thinking for like computers if you want to use this as a desk as well.
Yeah, because
a home office.
There is power in USB underneath on both sides right by those holes, so that's what it would be.
Very nice.
So if we were going to be streaming or something from up here, we could set everything up there and the cameras, and yeah, That'd be pretty cool.
Very nice.
But look at this kitchen, Lisa. This is a foodie's dream up here, or a chef's dream, I should say.
Yeah, it is. This is the first time I think that I have seen a front kitchen with an island.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
What's this? What is that what I think it? Uh-oh, Tower of Power. Man, I hate when that happens.
No, you don't. Well, let's start over here. We have our residential size microwave. Tons of counter space. Underneath here, this cabinet goes back forever, right? Over here, we've got, like I said, countertop space everywhere.
Those are cabinets, not countertop.
Thank you. Here I go again. I did this once before.
All right, then over here, we got our sink. 50-50.
It is, and it's a stainless sink. Cabinetry.
Yeah. I'm interested where. Oh, I think I'd put the trash can right there. Oh, there's one on the other side.
Yeah.
Open that up, last door there. That's where they have it. So
Oh,
maybe you can
okay.
have two.
Well,
one for recycles and one not.
You know, they're all open, wide open, so you can put them anywhere.
And you do have some storage here on the island, which
Look
is
at
also
that.
large.
Yeah, very nice.
You've got your 50-50 on the top for the residential Furrion refrigerator.
The beast of a refrigerator, yes.
Pull-out drawers. Nice, so you can have separate control
Yes.
over the coolness there. And then your your pet bowls. You got pet bowls?
We got pet bowls.
Oh, for Rover. Right over here we have our residential stove with a nice Furrion vent above, which is nice, and a huge oven. Huge.
You can cook that 20-pound turkey in there.
Yeah, and you do have a nice pantry area as well.
Oh, very nice.
Love that. Love that.
Soft close.
Yep, soft close. There's a bunch of cabinets right here when you first come in. Nice storage here. You can hang your jackets up in there. Maybe put some octopus hangers. But you don't need to. There's a hanging bar right there. Nice. All right. Uh-oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Thomas Toilet Test.
If this is your first time finding our videos, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RVs. Also, do us a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, and it really does help out the channel, and we sincerely appreciate it. This is one of my favorite bathroom designs in the Solitudes. You've got, before I get into that, as you can see from my height, I don't have any issues sitting on this toilet, do I, Lisa?
Nope.
Nope. So if you're tall like I am, and in fact, even if you're a little bit on the fluffy side, this is very, very spacious. So definitely thumbs up. But what I was talking about the design is you got his and her sinks. There's lots of space in here. You're not really confined, even though it's a small bathroom. We've seen a lot smaller in RVs, and so this is a decent layout.
This is a huge bathroom for an RV, to be
Yep.
honest.
Under counter mounted stainless sinks, solid surface counters. You've got storage underneath both sides with some drawers in the middle. Your medicine cabinets are left and right, and then the huge mirror.
Yeah.
Okay. On the other side of this, there is storage for your linens right here. So you can just roll them up and put them there or fold them neatly. And then you've got this nice shower, which is sort of flush to the floor. You do have to step in, but it's at the same height that the floor is. In fact, I think it's slightly lower. What I'm trying to get at is, at my height of 6'4", there's no issues. In fact, you could be 6'8", 6'9". I would say 6'8" comfortably and standing here, okay? There is a bench over here, so you have a nice bench to sit on if you want to sit on there. Great upgraded shower head with a sort of a rainfall. You've got a handheld, and then 2 body washes with a couple of baskets or a couple shelves, whatever you want to call it. Nice bathroom, Lisa.
Yeah, very nice.
Yep, let's go up into the front. All right, so we have an RV King 72 by 80. Love the headboard. You've got night shades. You don't have day shades, just night shades in here. All right. There are no nightstands, but there's these little tables here at the end, or these little shelves, and there's power left and right of each of these little shelves. So if you have a CPAP, you can put them up there. Which, by the way, these little shelves also have little nooks underneath for things. So if you have a CPAP up the top and you want to put your phone in there, you can do that. Okay. There is storage underneath the bed. Right, so you have some storage there. You have sort of a hidden compartment here that's carpet lined, and a couple drawers. across from the bed, which before we do that, look at all the space in here.
That's a lot of space.
It is. It's got a really deep slide on the bed, so it gives you a lot of extra space in here.
Yeah,
okay?
very nice.
There is a 6-drawer dresser, which is nice. You also have hidden storage up in here, which is great, and a TV that is already mounted up there. There is a dedicated closet for a stackable washer and dryer, if that's what you'd like to do. If not, you have more space for hanging clothes. Okay? But even if you were doing a washer and dryer, the closet is still incredibly generous. Lots of room for hanging stuff. There's the cubbies you see there in the back. There's some shelves over on the other side. Yeah, really nice closet in the Solitudes. But for me, it is all about that rear kitchen and that design. What do you all think about that, guys? With this sort of seating area for your dinner, as well as maybe some computer setups there, right? What do you think of that? Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. All right? Until we see you all again somewhere on the road, be safe.